Hi, it's Eddie at Alpha Man. I've just taken this gearbox out of a Giulietta, semi-automatic, 6-speed. It is a TCT gearbox. The fault with this was actually in that part, not the gearbox, but I thought I'd strip it down and just give it a clean, which I've done. It's a very, very simple box to assemble, to strip down and then to assemble, as long as you do it in the correct way, which I've done, more than luck than skill. And I'm just boxing it back up again. So it's not difficult, it's time consuming, but not difficult. All the gears in here are all in really good condition. All the bearings in here were in really good condition. The actual magnet over here wasn't actually very dirty. I've done loads and loads of gearboxes in my time, and normally they are covered in bits of metal. This one wasn't. I just gave it a quick wipe and a quick wash, and I'll stick it back. And I'm just about to reassemble this up now, and that's about it. Keep well, and I hope you don't have any problems with your semi-automatic gearbox with this. Always get the gearbox oil changed on a regular basis. When this oil gets slightly dirty, see if you can get it changed, and drive safely. Bye now.